Hello, welcome back to the Bellville layout. This is part 4 of the dismantling of the layout. And as you can see, I've done a whole lot more. I've taken out all the track. It's all packed up, and the engine services building, I got that packed up and bundled up the Pico Flex track, and all the track is in, it's all packed up. So, and I finished taking out the last of the control panels, and packed out my DCC system too. So the last thing to do is work on dismantling the actual bench work, which I'll do that on another day because it is getting late and I think it's time to go to bed. So everyone have a good night, and I'll be back with another update another day. Good night.